I can have it for the record. I'm a character, Nasty. Don't do that to me. Trying to protect me. I'm an ugly guy.
Hey, listen, yeah.
Calm down.
Calm down.
I love this guy. I don't know.
How old are you, sir?
Mkebel, huh?
Yeah, I don't care. I'm not
Okay, I'm zooming him.
Okay.
Okay, the only person, the only map to Saudi.
I don't care about what you said. I am the artist. I bring the entertainment. This guy gonna be the next one to fuck my auntie. Can you zoom in? He pretty. He got a blue eyes. We need yellow baby in this community. The African community is too ugly. We need beautiful people just like white people.
Okay, okay. Listen up.
I'm not gonna listen to you because I'm the shit.
But
shit. But you are my friend.
Okay.
That's why you support.
But you remember your concern.
Can somebody check my blood pressure and my everything?
Yeah, he just did.
And then you said it's very high.
What's your name again?
Yeah, his blood pressure is high.
Huh?
Mitch.
Mitch?
Yep.
Okay.
And your blood pressure was pretty high.
I'm smoking. Okay, stop it. Because I'm getting sick and tired of you trying to be save me.
But I'm there to save you.
Okay.
I don't want because of me.
No, I get sick and tired. You love me too much. I don't want to hurt myself. But I get sick and tired with this guy. Every day he come into my house, support me. I don't want your support. Leave me alone. I want to be left alone.
You want me to zoom him? I zoom him.
You wanted to go earlier. You know, why don't you just go to the hospital?
I'm gonna go, but
I'll get your water.
You too cute to be very.
Hey. I said she heard it this morning. Everybody heard it this morning when you say I hate. I'm here to help you, not to kill you.
Do you think if you dare arrest me, I'm not gonna pay the $500,000 mortgage?
Okay.
I want more.
They don't want to arrest you.
Okay, I don't care.
They want to help you.
Okay, that's the shut up. I want to go to the jail because I don't want to pay those bills.
We're not going to the jail. All right, listen.
Look at how pretty he is.
Why don't you just go to the hospital?
I'm not going to no damn hospital.
I'm a face to l'hôpital avec vous.
M'papa l'hôpital m'bagay.
Ou pas ça dos soit l'hôpital ou pas payer mortgage encore?
If you go to the hospital and then you
Ou pas payer mortgage pour mon fou.
If you go to the hospital, then if your wife calls us back here, you can have something to tell her when they let you go. You can have something to tell her that you don't need to go. You already went, you were checked out, nothing's wrong.
You sure?
Yes.
Wait,
let's go.
Hospital.
No, friend.
They're right there. Close.
I'm gonna take a swim. I'm gonna swim.
No, don't swim. Let's go now.
No, I want.
No. Come on.
On a les cougnards.
Okay,
Okay,
Nasi, I'm gonna swim so I can take the high out and I'll be like this, just that in this man.
Let's go now the way you are. Just put a shirt on. I'll swim. Let's go. Let's go swim.
I got you, Shane.
Why don't we head up to the hospital real quick so then you can...
Let me shower first. That's what I asked you.
That's our protection witness.